cursive lowercase s. Begin at your baseline. Undercurve, curve down and back, retrace, undercurve. Undercurve, curve down and back, retrace, undercurve. That retrace is once you do that curve back, connecting with your original line, you're retracing at the bottom. Undercurve, curve down, retrace, undercurve. That final undercurve right here is what connects to your next letter. Undercurve, curve down, back, retrace, undercurve. Remember that your lowercase letters should not pass that halfway point in your lined paper. You want to try to keep your letters as slender or thin as possible without making that curve down too wide. Some of the words that you can practice: it's, I, T, S. Lift up your pencil, cross your T, dot your I. Store, S, T, all the way to the top of that line, O, R, go straight into it from the O without coming back down. Lift up your pencil, cross your T. Saw, S, A, W. You end the W with the check stroke. Now, if we're talking about saw as in the object, you can have multiple or plural, and we can end that with an S. Saws. S, A, W, S. I wanted to show you this one because it can be kind of tricky with connecting that W to the S. You're leading from the check stroke directly into that undercurve for your loop before you loop back or curve back. Another word that you can practice, or I have two more: host, H, O, S, T. O to the S can be tricky as well because you're not coming all the way back down to connect for your S or to begin your S. And swing. I-N-G. Then dot your I.